Hey there everyone, happy Wednesday. King 5 meteorologist Adam Claybon here to talk about all that snow we got yesterday, to talk about the quieter weather that we have ahead here at least over the next couple of days. Not completely quiet. We do have some showers to tell you about and where they might impact some spots, and also go over what we're expecting as we head later into the weekend and more so next week, which does show a cool down and maybe some moisture around as we head on into your Tuesday time frame. First, well, that colder air up into the mountains, that helped to reduce good amount of snow. Mount Baker over a foot. Stevens Pass, that's the winner right there, coming in close to 20 inches. And Crystal Mountain coming in over a foot as well, with areas around Snoqualmie and White Pass around 4 inches there. Snoqualmie 9 inches at White Pass. Now, Stevens Pass, we came in just under 20 inches. Check out what's happening up there right now as we speak. You can see skies actually breaking apart to a certain degree. We got some sun out there and a lot of cars in the parking lot enjoying that fresh powder. And you can see how that snow kind of piled up right there next to the road. And we've had the plows move on through to help give you a very clear drive up there to the pass. So enjoy that. We'll keep things dry here this afternoon down in the lowlands. Skies partly sunny at first, turning mostly cloudy as we go on into the night. Temperatures dropping down into the 30s. Now let's talk about those small rain chances, because I did mention a few of us at least do have some of those chances. I think we're good for the rest of today. Some partly sunny skies here and there. Good amount of clouds still around, but as we head into the night, closer to midnight, we do see a few showers right out there along the coast. And that's going to be with a warm front that will move on through. That helps to bring about some very light chances of rain near and north of Everett after it moves over the Olympic Peninsula here closer to Puget Sound and for parts farther to the north. Those will be in and out of here during your morning commute, so not much of an issue there. It's going to be a pretty decent day on Thursday. As you can see, more sunshine breaks out afterwards, but then heading into the nighttime hours for Thursday, this is when our cold front will start to move on in. Definitely more widespread rain with this, some heavier showers too to go along with it, and that will sweep through from about 6-7 o'clock through the overnight hours, and then by the time we head into early Friday, we're going to see that things do start to quiet down. Fewer showers around, but we're still going to keep an off and on chance throughout the day. Plus, we'll notice some sun breaks to go along with that, along with some areas of snow up into the mountains again. At least some additional snow. Not going to see nearly as much as what we had just with our last system. So rainfall with this, we're talking about maybe 1/10 of an inch up to 1/4 of an inch. Should be much lighter this go around, especially out along the coast where we picked up 1 to 2 inches of rain. Only looking at about 1/2 an inch out there around Quileutes. And then for the snow, most of it will be farther to the north, so Mount Baker coming in just about 8 inches. Hurricane Rich as well coming in at about 8 inches of snow. And then around the passes, we're talking 1 to 2, 3, maybe 4 inches of snow through early Friday morning. Forecast for the rest of today, highs in the mid to upper 40s with some of that sunshine beginning to break out. Arlington at 48, 46 in Marysville. We'll see a little sun was mixing with some of those clouds. Highs near 50 around Seattle, Paulsville, 48 in Redmond, Monroe hitting 49 degrees. And then farther south, upper 40s with a few low 50s too, starting to break out kind of here and there. Tonight's forecast, lows dropping down into the 30s and low 40s. We'll see more of those clouds come through, and keep an eye out again over the Olympic Peninsula for areas of light rain come on by. We'll see those showers mainly stay north for the day Friday, while the rest of us will get a good amount of sunshine heading on into the day Thursday. And then by Saturday and Sunday, noticing things cooling down to a little degree. It's Tuesday. That's when things really start to cool down, and that's where we'll keep an eye out for things heading on into next Tuesday. Definitely about a week out from now, but we could see a decreasing chance of not only rain showers, but even in the lowlands, maybe a few snowflakes mixing in at times. Still way too far out to talk about any accumulation chances with that. So, of course, as we get closer to the event, we'll let you know more about it. But get out there, try to enjoy the sun here over the next couple of days. And if you're closer to the Olympic Peninsula, keep an eye out for some of those showers here as we head on into the evening. And snow lovers, get up there to the mountains. A lot of it, it's fresh powder into those Cascades. Enjoy. Have a great Wednesday.
For more local news coverage, live and on demand, watch King 5 Plus. Download free on Roku and Fire TV.